Good afternoon. Firstly, you will have to excuse the wind noise. My garage is actually open on the sides, as you can see, and it is windy as hell today. Anyway, I have just received in the mail this morning some Andy Strapz Pannier bags and racks for my 2018 V-Strom 650 XT. So let's have a look. So here are the bags themselves. They are custom made for a V-Strom 650. In fact, the one that goes on the right hand side of the bike here is even custom made to angle up over the exhaust, so there will be no rubbing. So that's a pretty clever piece of design. There's some straps, and here are the bags themselves. And in here we have the mounting racks, and I'm just going to use my key to open this. There we go. This is the worst unboxing ever. So, and there are the racks which go onto the side of the bike. So, we'll go fit them now. Okay, so I've had a quick read of the instructions, really easy to install. I just have to unbolt these two bolts here, and there's just a spacer that goes in there, some longer bolts, put them on like that, and away you go. Not a difficult process at all. So let's get to it. I'm just going to time lapse this. So that's one of them on. It's really easy. You just do the same on the other side. So I'll get back to you when I have the other one installed. Very, very easy to do. Even an idiot like me can manage it. And we are done. We have both of them on. Honestly, a really easy job. You just take out two bolts, screw in two bolts, and they're on. It is honestly a 5-minute job. Like I said, even an absolute moron like me can manage it. And I am not the greatest with a socket set, I won't lie. And that's what they look like from the back. Alright, let's get the bags on. So here are the bags. Pretty easy to tell which one goes where, and as you can see there, it is angled to go above the exhaust pipe, which is really clever, so there's no burning. And it is a fairly straightforward Velcro system that you use. You just stick these in like that. Other side goes the same way, in under the grab rail here. And stick them down on top of each other like that. Really simple. And that's it. They are on. Because of the grab rail here, they ain't going nowhere. So just pull them back a little bit actually. Just pull them a little tighter. There we go. That's them on, people. So here's a closer look of them on. They're made of canvas, which seems to be good and heavy duty. They cost, I think, less than $700 all up. I can probably lower them down a little bit there. Yeah, there we go. So, seemed like very good quality, reasonable price. Certainly no complaints on my end. I'm pretty happy with them. Just have to adjust them slightly so that they're sitting over the racks better. And there we have it, folks. The Andy Strapz soft pannier bags for the 2017 on V-Strom 650. They also fit the V-Strom 1000 in case you're interested. Pretty pleased with those. I'll just open up one of the bags here to show you what they're like inside. As you can see, the top rolls open and it velcros shut, so it's a bit hard to do with one hand when you're holding a camera. And as you can see, I'll be able to get plenty of stuff in there. It's my hand for scale. Excellent. Right, so a couple of bits of housekeeping before I finish up here. Firstly, the reason I have bought these Pannier bags is because I am going on a big trip next week, which I'm really looking forward to a really remote and really interesting part of Queensland. Stay tuned if you want to see it. I think you'll enjoy it. Really need to clean this bike first though, it's absolutely filthy. Secondly, I recently purchased an aftermarket windscreen for this, a Puig, well-known Catalan brand touring screen for this, and I instantly disliked it as it sent a whole load of turbulent air right onto the top of my head and gave me a headache. I put this bad boy on her and then I actually couldn't see through the mount. So I have decided to give up on it and return to my previous windscreen setup. Just give me 1 second. So this is her. She's in mint condition and has been installed once for about an hour just for test riding purposes. There it is in comparison to the stock screen. Have all the mounting and hardware and all that if you're interested. I will sell this for, we'll say $50 and the cost of posting. If you're interested, just leave a comment and let me know. You're more than welcome to have it at a very reasonable price. Anyway, that's it from me today. See you soon, lads. Good luck.